Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of consumer. Person who purchases goods or services for their personal use. For example, understanding what motivates consumers is more crucial than ever. The second definition of consumer. A person or thing who eats or uses a particular item. For example, Scandinavians are the largest consumers of rye. American pronunciation. Consumer. Consumer. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Consumer. Say. Consumer. Consumer means person who purchases goods and services. Consumer. Consumer. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. You have to make every interaction with consumers personal and highly human. Now, repeat after me. You have to make every interaction with consumers personal and highly human. The second practice. There has also been a slowdown in service sector growth and consumer borrowing. Now, repeat after me. There has also been a slowdown in service sector growth and consumer borrowing.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.